It is a Monday and I'm on my way to school. I'm not too late, but yeah, I've just got over a cold. I'm just a bit in that, but we'll get over it today. I think I have maths, drama, IT. Oh, drama, yeah. We're supposed to be doing a play called Sparkle Shark, but I wasn't here and I haven't rehearsed it or anything, so I have no idea what we're doing. Hopefully we'll see Jill when I get there. When I get to school. I've got Ellie coming over tonight. Jill was supposed to be coming over, but she was like, oh sorry I can't come. I was like, no. So yeah, I'll see you when I get there. Bye. Hi guys, I'm back. I'm at school and I'm with Abby.
What's that?
And
Yeah.
Lemo. The wild species of a lemo.
Finding emo.
Where's Gemma? Have you seen her?
No.
She's dead. Oh,
Oh,
that's
God.
very nice.
Oh god. Oh god.
Jesus.
Well, now this is
Jesus.
awkward.
Jesus. Okay, but yeah, I'm gonna go. Oh, well done. I'm gonna go and try and find Gemma.
Wild species.
A wild species.
We coming for you.
Okay, oh, there's the bell. Well, we'll see you later at break, maybe. Yeah,
Ciao.
see ya. Bye. Hey guys!
Hello.
It's lunch. Look, it's Ellie.
Like, look at
Oh my god.
Oh,
Well,
she gave me an electric shock here.
oh, no. So yeah, I'm with Gemella. Yeah.
Gemella, hello.
Excuse me. Excuse me.
She broke my finger.
I'm so sorry. Oh,
Abby's
no.
down.
Abby! Abby looks down. Why are you down? Oh, oh no.
Is this for your floor?
Come here.
Oh,
you're coming.
Jesus. Oh,
Come on. Come on.
no, thank you.
No, you come in. I need to expose someone, please.
No.
Can I hold it for you? then?
Natasha, no. Natasha's trying to drag me and I'm not having it.
She's scared.
Can I hold it then?
No.
Can I go there myself, Dilly?
No!
Why? Ow.
Okay.
Can I hold it for a second?
No.
Please. Kill
I think
yourself.
everyone should kill us.
Okay.
Kill yourself.
Okay, without swearing, what do you think of
Esther Freud.
No swearing!
No swearing. Let's take a moment here. What on earth was that noise, Amelia? Let's replay this for a minute. No swearing. Okay, Amelia, that was a bit weird. Anyway, let's get back to it, shall we?
Just go like that! Just go like that!
Ellie, without swearing, what do you think of Freya?
Okay,
just walk
away.
There you go. There she goes.
Swear, but you want to swear, just go like that.
She can't because
Without swearing, what do you think of what is her name? Who is in Shawn Mendes' video? Okay, be prepared for the noise that Ellie makes. Hello. Okay. Anyway, we'll see you later. Love you all.
Oh, bye. Blur.
Bleh.
She was concentrating really, really hard.
So hey guys, I'm on my way home and
Hello. Oh.
yeah,
I'm going around Ella's.
yeah.
I love ants.
Okay.
Yeah, we're walking home. We're just having a little conversation.
And we're getting very overly
Wink, wink, nudge, nudge.
Paddington, cough, cough.
Shout outs to people who know what that mean. And we're having some other stuff. I'm not going to say the name.
Yeah.
Because I think people who watch it know. So yeah, we'll see you when we get home.
Yeah.
Oh hey.
So guys, we are home. We are in the summer house. She's been
Thinking about someone.
reading,
Yes.
haven't you? Oh, yeah. We're just in the summer house. We just got a
Snapchat.
What's your
Add
name?
me.
Yeah, what's your name?
It's very childish, but it's Ellie Roxy 10.
But yeah, we're in the summer house. My mum gave me a giant chunk of chocolate.
That you shoved in my mouth.
password she uses.
Shut up, please.
And I have a giant hole. It looks like a bald patch. My tights, yeah, they kind of got ruined. You'll see later on in the video. I've got like a massive baldness. And I've got like a massive ladder. And I've got one up here as well. It's really annoying me. I don't like it. Ellie's just on Snapchat.
Yes. Just thinking about someone. But
Not gonna show who that is.
but I'll show who
Because
this is though.
because that person watches these videos.
Wait, she does?
Yeah. Don't worry.
Wait, she does?
Yeah.
I'm gonna steal her man.
It's Mrs.
Yeah.
Studio Girl. Boy.
Men.
Men.
Ow!
No! No!
No? No? Alright. Oh, hey! Right, anyway, what was you saying?
I caught all of that.
Do you remember when you sent me those?
Yeah. Are you proud of me?
Yeah. That's adorable. Oh yeah, I need to talk to you about something after you end this
Yeah, I will
video.
do. Well, we're gonna me and Ella's gonna have a chat. I'm sorry you cannot hear it.
Because it's about a certain someone. Does he?
I don't know.
You should ask him. It's gonna make it very obvious because it's like. Also, I said his name in video.
Yes, you did.
Anyway, ciao.
Yeah, if you listen to our old videos, she says a person's name.
Don't go back and watch it, please.
I'm not gonna
I
tell
have
you.
no memory of this, so you know.
Okay. Well, we'll see you soon.
Like,
Let's just say these are my tights. Yep. Them. There you have my ripped up tights, shredded into pieces. Thanks, Ellie. Ellie's gone. I'm gonna cry. Me and Ellie, we had such a fun time. Ellie, if you're watching this, thanks for coming over. Gemma, I still wish you were here, but unfortunately you couldn't. Basically what happened with my tights is that I had a hole in it, and there was a ladder, and I pulled it, and it just formed one big massive hole, and then we just started just rip it and rip it and rip it until it just went into shreds and pieces, and then I got drawn on. Ellie, I don't know if you can see that, but Ellie drew on my leg. Well, we both did technically. Yeah, that happens. But I need to put these in the bin, or I might keep them for memories. I know it's a bit skanky, but I might keep them for memories. And yeah, so I think that's going to be a wrap up for today. I'm going to go down, probably have a hot chocolate, sit down, go on YouTube, watch some bits and stuff. I've got to do some stuff first. Ellie, you know. And maybe Gemma. So yeah, I've got to go. I'll see you this week. Thursday, I think. Yeah, I'll see you Thursday in Gemma's vlog. And I hope you guys enjoyed this. I'll see you